Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on dividing decimals by powers of 10. Dividing decimals by powers of 10 is a very simple process because of the way the decimal system operates. The following rules apply. When dividing a decimal by 10, move the decimal point one place to the left. When dividing a decimal by 100, move the decimal point two places to the left. When dividing a decimal by 1,000, move the decimal point three places to the left, and so on. So let's look at some examples. Example 1, 58.9 divided by 10. Since we are dividing by 10, we move the decimal point one place to the left, so it ends up between the 5 and the 8, and the answer is 5.89. Example 2, 386.4 divided by 100. Since we are dividing by 100, we move the decimal point two places to the left. So if we go 1, 2, it ends up between the 3 and the 8, so the answer is 3.864. Example 3, 4,386.7 divided by 1,000. Now since we're dividing by 1,000, we move the decimal point three places to the left. So from here we go 1, 2, 3. So the decimal point ends up between the 4 and the 3. So the answer is 4.3867. Now we can do some conversions doing the same principles. Change 345 millimetres to centimetres. If we know there are 10 millimetres in a centimetre, we have that 345 millimetres equals 345 divided by 10, and that answer is centimetres. Since we're dividing by 10, move the decimal point one place to the left, because the decimal point is here after the 5. Move it one place to the left, and that gives you 34.5 centimetres. For the next example, change 679 centimetres to metres. If we know there are 100 centimetres in a metre, we have that 679 centimetres is 679 divided by 100. That gives us the answer in metres. Since we're dividing by 100, we move the decimal point here, two places to the left, and it gives us 6.79 metres. And example 6, change 5,487 metres to kilometres. If we know there are 1,000 metres in a kilometre, we have that 5,487 metres is 5,487 divided by 1,000, and that gives you the answer in kilometres. So we just move the decimal point three places to the left, so that gives us 1, 2, 3, and it's 5.487 kilometres. So this video has shown us how to divide numbers by powers of 10, and we've also seen how we can use the same principles to do some simple metric conversions.